dinner. I'm feeling a bit tired. I want to take off these boots. Thank you so much, Babs. Yeah, yeah, guys, I couldn't stand being out the whole night. It is not for me. I just wanted to have dinner, come back home, and yeah, I am not for the whole night. Trust me, I'm not for the whole night. Yeah, I'm exhausted. I literally just drove back home by myself from that place. You need a good massage? I actually don't. Need a massage. I've never liked massages in my life, and hence I've never actually got one. I've never actually got one. But this was me today. Thanks for the roses. Wow. Guys, I don't know what people do. I don't know. If I drank alcohol, I probably had stayed for Yes, I'm home though. Okay. Okay. So, I don't know how people do it. I guess that I'm lucky to not drink alcohol. Because, wow, y'all are too strong for that night. Me, personally, no. I cannot. No, I'm swapping how. I'm swapping. Guys, yeah. Can see how do my followers not know me? I know, because no sweat. Yeah, oh no. I was saying Ishina. You don't have an Instagram account? No, I've had it before, but since I got into a relationship, I took it down. Only TikTok. Now. I don't know.